You are fatter. Those are the words that greeted me when I saw a friend that I hadn't seen in years. Now, English is not his first language, so I wasn't really offended, but it's a clear example of how English, or any language, can be harsh and impolite. So, in this English lesson, we're going to learn about euphemisms, which are nice ways of saying not so nice things. So, let's get at it. So, what we're going to do today is talk about some situations where euphemisms are commonly used. And the first one is when talking about someone's weight. Like I said in the opening, calling someone fat or fatter is very impolite. So if you really feel the need to express that someone has gotten a little bigger, you can say this instead. You've put on a few extra pounds. Simply means that that person has gained some weight. You've put on a few extra pounds, or you've put on a few extra kilos if you're in Canada, metric system. Or you've gained some weight recently. It means the same thing. You've put on some extra weight, right? A little extra heft. This one's the softest one. You're a little on the heavier side than last time I saw you. Right? That means that that person has gotten a little bit heavier, a bit more weight to them than previously when you saw them. Maybe they were a little thinner. Telling someone that they've gained weight in any capacity, in any form, is not very polite. So I would stay away from it. But again, if you feel the need, use these instead of you are fatter. Moving on. When talking about death, now let's say that your friend's grandmother has been sick. You call your friend, you say, hey, how's your grandmother doing? And your friend says, she's dead. Now, while that may be accurate, it just doesn't sound, right? It doesn't sound very good. It sounds quite shocking to hear. So, instead, what you can say if someone asks you about a relative, you could say, she passed away, right? She passed away. It's just another way of saying that she died. She passed away. Or she's no longer with us. She's no longer among the living. She's no longer with us. She expired. She died. She's in a better place now. That suggests that she's in a happier, more peaceful place. Heaven, if you believe in that, she's in a better place now. Or, this is sort of new, something I've heard recently, she transitioned. So, she transitioned from body to spirit. She transitioned. We're talking about someone's intelligence. So let's say that your friend's son recently went off to college. You see your friend. You say, hey, how's your son doing in school? Your friend says, not well. He's stupid. Oh. So it's not nice to call someone stupid. Much better to use these English expressions, these euphemisms. He's a bit of a slow learner. Well, that just means that he is slower than the average person to learn. He's a slow learner. It takes him longer to learn. He's not academically inclined. This suggests that he's just not all that interested in school and academics. Maybe he's interested in sports or partying. Or, yeah, he's not really book smart. Book smart, again, means someone that is good at school, reads a lot of books. Street smart, that means more practical knowledge and wisdom, right? Intuition about things. Street smart. When discussing the need to use the bathroom, everyone has to go to the bathroom, but to say, I have to go pee to your date at a restaurant, well, it's a little strange. So, better to use these expressions. I need to use the restroom. Now, that's a polite way to say exactly that. You need to use the bathroom. Or, I need to visit the facilities. The facilities, restroom, bathroom, toilet. Now, this is an interesting one. I don't use this. It's used in England. It's an idiom. I need to see a man about a horse. Now, that's a funny way to hide that you need to use the restroom, right? I need to see a man about a horse, or I need to see a man about a dog. Basically means that you are concealing your true purpose for doing something. In this case, using the bathroom. When describing someone's appearance. So, let's say that your friend has a new boyfriend. You call your friend up. You say, "Hey, how's your boyfriend? What does he look like?" And she says, "He's ugly." Right? Ugly. Not very nice. So, instead of saying ugly, a person could say, he's not conventionally attractive. So, that basically means that he doesn't live up to the traditional standards of good looks. Conventionally attractive, not really attractive. Or he has a unique look about him. A unique look. That's a different kind of look. Again, not traditionally attractive, unique. He is one of a kind. He's not very good looking, but it's uniquely unattractive. Or this is probably the best. He's not much of a looker, but he's got a great personality. So not much of a looker. It's not very attractive, but he's got a great personality, right? Which is what's important. He's funny or caring, empathetic. He's got a great personality. Not much of a looker. All right, that is it. That wraps it up. I hope this English lesson on euphemisms helps you describe things in a kinder, softer, gentler way if you feel that need. And if you like the lesson, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next lesson. Take care.